Have you ever wondered how your smartwatch just knows to alert you, or how a self-driving car can react in a split second? Well, the secret is this really powerful technology called Edge AI. And today, we're going to explore how it's basically giving our devices the power to think for themselves.
Seriously, just picture this for a minute. A deer jumps out onto the road. Your car sees it, it understands the danger, and it slams on the brakes, all before your brain has even had a chance to process what's happening. I mean, that's not science fiction anymore. That's the reality that Edge AI is building right now. Okay, let's dive into this. To really get what Edge AI is, you first have to understand the, let's call it the old way of doing things, which almost always involved sending data to something called the cloud. Yeah, this slide just lays it out perfectly. Think of cloud AI like having to phone a friend for every single little decision. You know, your security camera sees something, but then it has to call up a remote server, explain what's going on, and then wait for instructions. That whole round trip creates a delay. But Edge AI? That's like having the expert standing right there with you. The camera sees something and it knows immediately what to do. The thinking, the processing, it all happens right there on site, and that leads to real-time action. So, to put it in the simplest terms, Edge AI just means the brains of the operation, these AI models, are running directly on our everyday connected gadgets. You know, the things we call the Internet of Things, or IoT. We're talking about your smartwatch, your car, even a robot on a factory floor. And it's called Edge because all the thinking happens right where the action is, at the very edge of the network, not in some data center hundreds of miles away. So why is this shift from the cloud to the device such a big deal? I mean, it's not just some technical little tweak. It has massive, real-world consequences. And it all really boils down to one simple thing: the need for speed. And here we've got the two huge wins for Edge AI. First off, it slashes latency. You know that annoying lag you get on a video call? That's latency. By thinking for itself, an Edge AI device basically gets rid of that delay. Second, it saves a ton of bandwidth. Just imagine not having to upload every single second of security footage to the cloud. The device only sends what's actually important. It's kind of like clearing up a massive traffic jam on our digital highways. Oh, and this has a fantastic little side effect for privacy. If your data is processed on your device, it never has to be sent anywhere in the first place. And that right there is the heart of it. This is all about the power of instant decisions. In situations where every millisecond counts, you just don't have time to wait for an answer to come back from the cloud. Now, I know this might all sound a little abstract, so let's look at where this technology is already making a huge impact out there in the real world. We're seeing this pop up everywhere. For a self-driving car, Edge AI is literally the difference between braking safely for a person and a tragic delay. In a smart factory, it lets robots work with this perfect, synchronized precision that would be completely impossible if there was any network lag. And on your wrist, it means your fitness tracker can spot an irregular heartbeat and warn you right away without having to send your very private health data to a server first. So it's pretty clear that this isn't just a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we build intelligent technology. The future isn't just going to be connected, it's going to be happening right there on our devices. This quote just nails it, doesn't it? The next massive leap for AI isn't happening in some far-off data center. It's happening in your pocket, in your car, right in your home. Intelligence is becoming a built-in feature of the tools we use every single day. So this all leaves us with a really exciting question to think about. As all the devices around us get smarter and faster, what are they going to do next? Will our homes start to anticipate our needs before we even know them? Will our medical implants predict an illness before we even feel the symptoms? The possibilities are pretty much endless when there's no delay. Thanks for joining me on this one.